Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to disable the grid lines when you're printing a Google Sheets document. So right now I have this sheet open and there are grid lines, and I do want to keep the grid lines there for when I view it. I just don't want them there when I print it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the grid lines on a printed version of your document. So go up to File, go down to Print, and then on the print settings, make your way over to the right side, and then under Formatting, go ahead and click that drop down, and then unselect Show Grid Lines box. So I'm going to unselect this, and now I have removed the grid lines from my print settings. So if I were to print this document right now, it would print without grid lines. But if I were to go back and view the document in Google Sheets, it would still show the grid lines, which is what I would want. So I've now removed the grid lines. I'd go ahead and go Next, and then I go and print this, but I don't want to print it because I actually don't have a printer set up. But if I go back to my Google Sheets document, you can see that the grid lines are still appearing for me. And had I printed that document, it would have printed without the grid lines. And that is how you print a Google Sheets document without grid lines. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.